the LG V20 is here, and today I'm doing a video about Tubi TV and LG. So I'm on TMonews.com now. So it says that Tubi app will be pre-installed on LG phones at T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. So this is pretty interesting. So if you guys want to check out some free ad-supported content, this could be coming your way if you guys buy a LG phone from T-Mobile or Metro by T-Mobile. So if you guys don't know what Tubi is, Tubi is basically a free ad-supported streaming service which offers movies and TV shows, but you'll get a lot of older content on there. So do keep that in mind. So yeah, let's check this out. So it says that T-Mobile teamed up with Quibi to offer free streaming subscriptions to T-Mobile customers, but that's not the only streaming service that T-Mobile is working with this month. Tubi's app will be pre-installed on LG phones by T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile, as well as US Cellular and Rogers, Bell, and Telus in Canada. So to break that down for you, Tubi will be pre-installed on LG phones on T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile and US Cellular here in the States, and then it'll be pre-installed on Rogers, Bell, and Telus in Canada. So pretty cool there. LG phones preloaded with Tubi are already at T-Mobile, and they are says that LG phones preloaded with Tubi are already at T-Mobile, and they will be coming soon to other mentioned carriers like Metro by T-Mobile, US Cellular, and others. Here's a quote from T-Mobile. Here's a quote from LG's Vice President of Strategy, and they say, quote, "Our partnership with Tubi is a great opportunity for LG customers to experience streaming content on their smartphones," end quote. And then it goes on to say, quote, "While taking advantage of the LG dual screen and 5G on the all-new LG V60 10Q 5G, this venture reinforces LG's mobile phone commitment to meet the increasing demand for entertainment consumption on handheld devices," end quote. It says it's already pre-installed on some LG phones at T-Mobile, so that's pretty interesting. So I want to know what phones have it. Probably the LG V60 has it. Probably the LG Styler 5, I don't know. It says that Tubi is a free ad-supported streaming service that was acquired by Fox earlier this year. It says it's got more than 20,000 movies and TV shows, and is available on Android and iOS devices, as well as Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, Android TV, Xbox One, PlayStation 4, Chromecast, and smart TVs from companies like Vizio, Sony, and Samsung. And like I said, with TV, y'all guys will get ads on here. Obviously it's free, so you'll get ads, and y'all will get a lot of older content on there. It says with everything that's going on right now, a free streaming service with thousands of movies and TV shows could come in handy for some people. Of course, you will also got the option of hiding a pre-installed app if you would like. So you guys will have the option of hiding Tubi from your LG phone if you guys don't want it. I don't know if you guys will be able to uninstall Tubi from your LG phone. So yeah. So yeah, this is pretty interesting. I did a video about Tubi, like a few years ago, so I will have to do an updated review of Tubi. So yes, so if you guys are looking to get a free streaming service, Tubi is worth checking out. You know, they do have some good shows on Tubi, but a lot of it is old stuff on there. Hey, you really won't get a lot of new stuff really long, not really. So, if you guys are looking to get free content, Tubi is one of those places to check out. And it's going to be pre-installed on LG phones at T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. So, if you guys have this carriers and LG phone, you guys will have Tubi on there. It says it's already pre-installed on the LG V60. And I don't know what other LG phones have this app from T-Mobile. I don't know. Probably Solid 5, maybe. I don't know what LG phones have this app, but I know that the V60 has it. So, yeah, so, Tubi TV will not be pre-installed on LG phones from T-Mobile and Metro by T-Mobile. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Peace, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.